Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the Smartsheet and how you can create account on Smartsheet. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Google, and after going to the Google we have to write the Smartsheet here. So I'm going to write the Smartsheet, and then simply we need to press the enter here. So as you can see, the Smartsheet is here. Now simply we have to click on the Smartsheet. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the Smartsheet is open. Now what we need to do, we have to click on the login. So let's click on the login. If you have already created your account, then you need to click on the login. So let's click on this. As you can see here, we have to click on the don't have an account. So let's click on the create one, and after clicking on this, as you can see here, we need to provide the enter your email address here. So I'm going to provide my email address, and here's an option for the try Smartsheet for free. So let's click on the try Smartsheet for free, and let's accept this. So as you can see here, the please check your inbox to activate your account, confirm your email address. Now what we need to do, simply we have to confirm the account. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, we need to open our email account. So as you can see, now we have got the link Smartsheet. So let's click on the confirm your email address, and let's click on the confirm email. And now I'm gonna cut this one because we don't need these both. So let's cut this, and let's cut this as well. And as you can see, now the Smartsheet will be opened. So as you can see, now we have to write the password here. So I'm going to use my random password, and let's click on the agree, and then simply we have to click on the next. And as you can see here, we need to provide our first name. For example, I'm going to write my name like Hissam, and then let's write the Ali here, and then we have to select our team, for example education, and then next hit select the option like I'm going to choose the English here. So let's click on this, project management, budget, event planning, project management and event planning, and budgeting, and let's click on the next. And now we have to grant, for example I want like in the grant and the card wise. So let's click on the continue, and now let's skip this step and next to the dashboard, and let's click on the build project. So as you can see, our Smartsheet account is created. So in this way you can create your Smartsheet account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create here account. So see you guys in the next video.